All right, we're going to take a look at this Nature and Soul Yoga Wisdom cards. Yoga is something that I am really trying to incorporate into my life daily. That is a work in progress, but I thought that these cards might be a good inspiration for it. I'll show you why I got these cards. I've been using these mudra cards for meditation, and they really helped me out. And this is by the same person. It's written by Alison DeNicola, and so are these. And in this one, the artwork is by Christine Zillich, so it's a different artist than the mudra cards. But basically, these cards incorporate both a pose and an animal, with the wisdom from that animal. And in the booklet, basically you get the animal, you get a word that incorporates basically the general feeling of the pose and the animal together. You get some more information about the animal, you get a message, and then you get a practice, which is mostly about incorporating some sort of mindfulness or breath work into your yoga practice. It's not so much about how to do the pose. That would be something you'd already have to know or maybe have to look up, which was interesting as I was looking at this. But let's take a quick look through the cards. So cow, so this is obviously part of the cat-cow pose, and you can see that these cards are watercolor, it looks like, and you have both the pose and the animal. So cow, nurturance, sun, growth, lizard, dreams, crocodile, adaptability, fish, flexibility, frog, cleansing, goddess, empowerment, butterfly, manifestation, dancer, connection, cat, intuition, camel, fortitude, heron, reflection, lotus, opening, dolphin, inner voice, firefly, brilliance, waterfall, cleansing, tree, grounding, partridge, knowledge, swan, beauty, mountain, transcendence, scorpion, rebirth, dog, trust, rainbow, vibration, bee, accomplishment, monkey, perspective, moon, receptivity, crow, messages, horse, intelligence, lion, power, peacock, assimilation, locust, expansion, star, inspiration, cobra, healing, flower, blooming, rooster, vitality, dove, open heart, eagle, higher vision, tiger, strength, thunderbolt, awakening, and rabbit, fertility. So I think overall some of these cards, you can't quite see the pose super clearly, so it'd be something you'd already need to have knowledge on or look up on how to do the pose safely, but otherwise I think they're beautiful cards and really inspiring. So yeah, again, that is the Nature and Soul Yoga Wisdom cards. Let me know what you think about it in the chat or in the comments below.